In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll to hit Notifications and Quick Settings. Scroll again and tap on Manage All next to App Notifications. Then select Recent at the top left corner and tap on one of those options to sort your apps: Recent, Frequency, All, or Turned Off. I want to see my apps with most frequent notifications, so I have to click here and use blue switchers to switch them off, or grey ones to turn them back on. If you want to, you can also go back, tap on one of your apps here, and then operate app notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!